Most people completely overpack for Ibiza and still feel like they have nothing to wear. So for this trip, I packed a very intentional long weekend wardrobe where every single piece works together. I know, I used to be one of these people who overpacked all the time, full outfits, matching accessories, and still come back home with pieces I never wore on my holiday. I didn't realize back then how much more stressful my traveling and holidays have been because of that fact. And as I developed my work as a personal stylist and as I worked with many clients, I developed my own method called Style and Pack, where I help my clients put together outfits and travel light for their holidays while still feeling put together. This style method actually completely changed how I enjoy holidays nowadays because I'm really much more intentional. I travel lighter, only with a small cabin suitcase for long weekends, and I enjoy my travels in a completely new way. So I want you to feel the same way. My style and pack method is all about choosing pieces that you can wear in multiple ways. This is the number one rule you should be considering when you do your holiday packing. Choose versatile individual pieces that could be styled in multiple ways. Also, it's important to consider your color palette because this helps you to mix and match the pieces. Of course, you could have some neutrals, they're slightly easier to mix and match, but you can absolutely wear some colors. And as long as you choose colors that go together, you can have more bold and playful pieces in your travel capsule as well. And lastly, it's really important to have accessory strategy when you pack and when you want to travel light. And choose shoes, handbags, jewelry, sunglasses, hats that go with most of your outfits. Now, this is key because usually accessories are what takes most in our suitcases. So making sure we pack fewer but versatile ones can really unlock the potential of your holiday wardrobe. When it comes to packing, you can pack as a capsule, which is really minimal amount of pieces that you can mix and match in between, or you can just pack in an intentional way where each piece could be worn for multiple occasions. So for my trip, I did the second. I chose certain dresses and pieces that I can wear both daytime for beach clubs as well as sunset drinks and dinners in the old town. So for me, that was my way to maximize my suitcase. Before you even start packing, it's always good to think about the activities you'll be doing during your holiday because that really stops you from overpacking and you start thinking about outfits for each given activity. You don't need to plan strictly day by day, but know more or less are you gonna do like relaxed daytime lunches, sightseeing, dressed up evening looks, because that guides you when you start packing. So for my Ibiza holiday, my key outfit formula is effortless day to night looks, meaning that I'm gonna pack some dresses and outfits that I can easily transition from a beach club daytime to sunset drinks, evening, and dinner at the old town. Maybe by changing a few accessories, but often just keeping the same outfit. So for me, that was important. It was also important to have like a light layering piece because it's end of April now, so you need jackets some evenings. And it was also important to, of course, look put together and consider the environment and the location. I wanted impactful outfits. So let's have a look what I wore for this trip. The Ibiza style is misunderstood in a way that a lot of people go over the top with more costume like festival looks. And for me, it's about being playful but in a subtle and more balanced way. So if I add one interesting element, let's say the boots and the sunglasses, I'll keep the rest of the outfit simple and minimal to kind of keep the outfit still elegant. Denim shorts is a good staple that I almost always pack for summer holidays. And if I find a better quality denim shirts, I'll 100% upgrade these because I wear them so much. But I like that slightly flared fit. I think it's quite flattering. And I'm kind of doing a tonal look with the boots. Let me know what's your style when you travel. Is it the same as when you're in the city, or do you get more playful, bold, experimental when you go on holiday? I'm really curious to know. So leave me a comment below. And next, I'm gonna show you how I style these boots and actually all the pieces in multiple ways, because a lot of people will shy away from more statement boots and shoes because they would think, oh, would they wear them enough to justify them traveling with me? What I like to do when I travel is the sandwich styling effect. So I will coordinate my handbag and shoes, and that instantly helps you to wear both of them with many looks. I do have a pair of sandals as well to go with the bag. For this trip in Ibiza, I knew that my key outfit formula would be day to night looks, meaning outfits that I can wear to a beach club, sunset drinks, but then also transition in the same look for dinner. And this is a perfect example. I have styled this beach cover from Accessories, by the way. I know it gives the Missoni vibe, but I got it from the airport on my way to Mykonos last summer. And I love the covers. So I usually throw it over my swimsuit, but today I have layered a nude slip dress from Intimacy underneath, so it's not completely sheer. I have paired it with the same cowboy style boots from Mark the Butcher and my bag that goes with everything. I find when going on holiday at the beginning of the season, like April, May, June, you can absolutely get away with cowboy boots and long sleeve because the weather is kind of cooler in the mornings and evenings, and then it's warm during the day, which I personally enjoy. Even in high summer, July, August, I still wear long sleeve dresses in the evenings as long as the fabric is breathable because it tends to get breezy, especially if you're on an island or by the sea. Maybe you wouldn't want to wear the cowboy boots July, August. I think it will be too hot, but now is the perfect time. This will be my beach club look, and now I'm going to show you how I'll tweak it for evening walk in the old town or dinner. What I'm gonna do is remove the sunglasses and add a denim jacket from Uwe Johnson. This jacket has been a great staple in my wardrobe, so totally worth the investment. When it comes to denim jackets, I prefer like slightly cropped style because I find it goes better with tailoring, with long dresses and mini shorts and mini dresses as well. But yeah, this is how I'm gonna go for a local dinner in the old town in Ibiza and feel kind of put together but effortless. This is what I'm gonna wear for a day by the pool. Same denim shorts, paired with my Agua Bendita swimsuit, Goyard bag, and the white Saint Agnes slides that literally can go with everything. So when you travel, it's good to pick a tote bag that can back up, especially in the summer, as a beach bag as well, and a cover that goes with a lot. So I have spent a lot of time choosing mine, and this one is beautiful plum burgundy cover. It goes with other patterns. And what I love about it most is that I can wear it all year round. So I wear it in London, autumn, winter, but in the summer, I mean, probably if I'm styling a perfect look, I'll pick a raffia bag or like another cover. But given that I'm trying to be minimal and really optimize my planning, this one works equally as well. And given that I'm also traveling with small suitcase, like, I feel like these work quite well and I do recommend them, as well as the slides. These slides I recently got this season and I think they work well for the pool, for casual looks, but I also style them for evening walks in the old town. I love the minimal vibe. I think it's really versatile. The same swimsuit could be restyled as a bodysuit with my cargo pants, white accessories, and the hat I got yesterday from the boutique at Upper Ibiza. They have some really cool stuff, and maybe in one of my next videos I'll show you what else they got because I did a bit of shopping. I love this sort of look, especially, if I go for casual stroll in the afternoon, again, walk in the old town or sightseeing. For me, that's the perfect vibe. And I would also wear this sort of look not only in Ibiza, but maybe Mykonos or even maybe south of France, on a casual afternoon. But that's the one benefit when you build a good selection of swimsuits. If they have more elevated design, they can back up as bodysuits as well, so you could incorporate them as part of your outfits. I'm gonna also add a pair of sunglasses. This is one of my favorite accessories, I would say, even more than handbags and shoes, finding cool sunglasses. And also recently I'm really into cargo pants. I think they're excellent alternative of denim or of tailored trousers. Maybe I hit the denim period and tailored trousers period, and I'm in my cargo pants period. But this pair is literally so cool. And honestly, sometimes only by changing your bottom part and experimenting with the new style, that can instantly refresh your entire wardrobe. So I could wear the same top, same t-shirts as before, just with these super cool cargo pants. You can style the same look with a white t-shirt. For me, white t-shirt is a wardrobe staple that I always pack, either white t-shirt or tank top when I travel, because I feel like it unlocks the potential of your wardrobe and you can style it in so many ways. Now, if you're a warm complexion, I would suggest that you choose off-white ivory cream shades rather than pure white. But if you're cool or neutral, white works, like classic pure white. And my one is from British brand called Self Portrait. I love the cinched corset style waist. It's slightly short, which works for my wardrobe because I wear a lot of high waisted bottoms. And I also love like the crochet style at the front. It's the perfect summery boho inspired staple for me that I have been wearing for years actually. And that's the benefit of buying good quality staples in your wardrobe because they last you for years. I think I got this one years ago and it's still in amazing quality. The shape stayed the same. So get the best quality staples you can afford that will pay in the long run. This is a good example how staples don't necessarily have to be simple or boring. Like you can adapt them to your style and choose something with details or some sort of like shape that reflects your style personality. I love cool sunglasses and I'm always on the hunt for the perfect pair. And I feel like sunglasses instantly elevate the look and make it from nice to extra nice, like they add that cool aspect. So for this trip, I have packed two pairs. If you're planning a trip and want your wardrobe to feel this effortless, I offer holiday capsule styling sessions where I plan everything for you from your outfits to the accessories and the smallest details. We can style your holiday capsule either with your existing wardrobe, so you don't need to buy anything new. We plan each single look. Or we can shop a brand new wardrobe in the stores or online if you're based internationally. If you enjoyed watching my video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who always overpacks on holidays.